Hello, everybody. It's Lacy from Air to Earth, and I just want to go over how to pack, mostly what to wear on your trip where you're flying to your camping destination. So, the key thing here is that a lot of your weight from your carry-on bag can be minimized by wearing your clothes on the plane. Because typically when I do these type of trips, I am only bringing like one pair of pants, two pairs of shorts, two tops. So it's really at a minimalistic approach. So I have pretty much everything that I'd be wearing besides my raincoat. I might have one coat that I'm packing. This would be a raincoat, and it's going to have a hood on it. It's going to be waterproof. And so I might be wearing that. Otherwise, that would be in my bag as well. So because my hiking shoes, when we do these trips, we do a lot of hiking, they weigh the most. And so I'm going to wear my heaviest shoes. I'm also bringing along my Tevas, but those don't weigh as much as my hiking shoes. So I'm wearing those on the plane. And then I also am wearing I only bring two pairs of socks. And so I'm wearing my lowest cut hiking socks. So I'm wearing those. And then I always bring this Patagonia, the Nano Puff jacket, and it is the one with the hood on it. And so I wear this because it's packable. It's super lightweight and it's super warm. It's like their best coat, all around coat for everything. And I live in Wisconsin, Wisconskis. And so it is frozen tundra here. And so this coat gets me through the winter as well. You got to think about your purse, ladies. So this is a new product that I'm trying out this year, and it's a sling backpack, if you want to say. So I'm using it as a purse, and so I am going to be trying this out. And so I'm going to put everything that I would usually put in my purse, I'm going to put in here this year. And so I'm going to have my headset in here, my headset, and then also my wallet, my sunglasses, all my electronic stuff. So that's all going to be in here. And then it's super lightweight. I think it looks nice too. So that's what I'm going to be traveling with. It also has a nice spot here where you can put a really small cell phone. I don't think my iPhone is going to fit in there, but I can put like my lip balm or my sunglasses, or I can put like my travel documents in there. So that's going to work out great. Thank you, Patagonia. The other thing is you always want to bring a scarf. So on the plane, this scarf can be like a nice mask for germs. It can also be a nice eye mask, or I can put it over my face when I'm sleeping, and so on the plane. So it works really, really good. When I get to my destination, I can use this as a dress, like a batik, because I'm bringing a really big scarf here. And so I've worn it as a swimsuit cover-up. I've worn it as a skirt. I've worn it as a shirt with a sports bra under it. On my head, I wrap it around when I'm hiking. I always bring it with me hiking because you can sit on it as like a little, so you don't get, dirt butt, because who wants dirt butt? And I've dipped it in a stream and put it around my neck for more SPF coverage. So anyway, it's versatile. You can use it for so many things. So make sure, I've even worn it as a hat. So definitely bring a scarf. Always. It's like the necessity accessory. So, again, I'm going to talk a little bit about this awesome jacket from Patagonia. I have to keep moving this microphone. So this is their Nano Puff, and I love yellow, so it's super bright. It could also be a crossing guard. So anyway, this jacket has awesome pockets right here. It's got an inner pocket. It's really, really warm, and it's got a hood as well. So, and then it also packs up nicely right in here. And you just pack it up. So this is one, I got money. Anyway, just pack it right in that inner pocket there, and you just stuff it in there like you would your sleeping bag. So I'll deal with that later. And then it zips up and it packs really good, I promise. So the other thing is, instead of doing like a button-up shirt or something like that, like I need something that I can just put on that I can also open up. So I have invested in this Patagonia, I think it's the R2 or something hoodie. And I really, really like this because it has, on the inside of it, it has this nice fleece, like micro fleece almost. And then it has breathability strips here. It has an inner pocket. Pockets are always nice. It's got 2 pockets here, and it's got a hood on it. So if I do get caught in rain, I don't have my raincoat, like this can serve as, you know, a nice, yeah. Anyway, so I like it. I like it a lot, and it's super comfy if I wear, it's a great layering piece too. So that is a must-have, like something like that. And then I have my fanny pack here, which if you don't have a fanny, ladies, like get with the program. Everyone needs a fanny pack. This thing is awesome. Like I love fashion and function. I'm more functional sometimes than fashionable. So some of my friends would say this is a fashion disaster, but I love it because hands-free, baby. You put your phone in here, and then Patagonia always has like a little key clip, and so there's a little carabiner for your keys. And then I put my lip balm in there, whatever else, your book knife. So I always wear the fanny. And you can put your travel documents in there. It just works like really good. Like everything's like bam right there. So why wouldn't you wear a fanny pack? So you can wear that on the plane or put it in your backpack. I usually wear mine on the plane. And then I always bring one nice dress along. I really like this Arc'teryx dress. This is from last year. And it's got pockets here. You can wear it with leggings or not. So if we're going out, let's say we're going to a mountain town and I just want to like dress it up a little bit, I can totally dress this up. Everyone needs their little black dress. So this is made out of tencel, I think you pronounce it. I'm not so sure on that. So this, it's like quick dry. Like if I get it wet, it's like bam, like 20 minutes in the sunshine, it'll be dry. So I have this. I like the little buttons here because if I want to be conservative, I can, you know, button it up there. So I like that. And then under here, and it's got nice finishing, like nice lines on it, and it's nice. It feels super comfortable too. So the other thing is you got to think smart. Like underneath this, I have another tank top. So I have a tank top that I'm going to be wearing on the trip because it has a bra already in it. So I usually pick tank tops that already have bras in it, or like the cups, the foam padding or whatever you call that. I need all the padding I can get. So that's one of my 2 or 3 tank tops that I usually bring. And usually I'm gone 15 days on a camping trip, and you can wear the same stuff. So I want to make sure that it's something that's gonna easily wash and dry quickly. And when I am on the plane, I want to make sure that I'm wearing like the heaviest pieces and I'm layering. So I got to really think smart. Oh yeah, I didn't show you my underwear, but I won't. I'll spare you. So I also have underwear that is like quick drying as well. So yeah, so that's what I wear, and everything is pretty much, I can get like a couple outfits out of this whole thing that I'm wearing. So, all right. So hopefully that helps you when you're packing for your next camping trip, where you're flying air to earth, and to your next national park trip or whatever it may be. And so happy camping.